Meron akong dalawang HRRM. Magkano kayo mabebenta kapag na-build na? Kapag na-build na kasi, much lower ang price eh. Personally, I would buy them siguro mga 70% of the purchase price. Kasi what you're paying, it's not the kit itself. Yung build experience eh. The experience of building the kit itself. Kaya nga tinatawag silang model kit. Posible pa nga 50% of the mismo. That's my opinion ah. And based from what I am seeing from the marketplace, yan ang magiging presyohan yan kapag build na po. Not unless, after you build, i-customize nyo po. Tipo na pipinturahan nyo. That is the most basic of all customization. Additional panel lining. Lalagay nyo ng additional part. Yan, that will vary depending on how it looks, how clean yung pagkaka-execute nyo. Siyempre, kasama na doon yung pangalan nyo kapag meron na kayong na-build na following, kapag kakilala na kayo, kung nanalo na kayo ng previous competition. So, yun siya. Yun ang magiging basehan ko for the price.